Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
So, there is some kind of opportunity knocking your door. Wanna grab it? Watch the full video. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you all are doing absolutely great. Here it's me, Shivta Khan, with yet another video, and that too very informative because it will gonna change your life, your career, and it's an opportunity to grab for sure. Okay, so this 2020 hasn't been so good to us yet so far, but you can make the best use of this time. So guys, what I'll be talking about in this video is about the international conference is being sponsored by UN and WHO. Sounds cool, right? आपने अपनी बुक्स में पढ़ा होगा कि it's an organization जो बहुत साल पहले बनी थी. Not gonna teach you history here. So you don't just worry about that. It's something which is happening at a very grand level, and you guys are getting an opportunity to attend the international conference. Doesn't this sound cool? Isn't it? I mean, I have attended it and I have felt ki, oh god, this is just an opportunity to grab. So let's see, what is IMUN? That means IMUN. You must be like connecting with this MUN, right? It is somewhat related to. MUN is Modern United Nation and IMUN is International Modern United Nation. So you can see the difference, right? Is designed for you to get the real experience of UN. Now you'll be asking, what is UN? Come on, it's United Nations. So you don't have to prepare something. It's not like a rocket science, but what all you need is confidence. So carry your confidence and enter into the conference. Judged on the basis of knowledge, insights, diplomatic skills on the various global problems in different committees. So you don't have to like perform like a rocket science. It's just that you need to be aware of what's going in your surrounding and how to conquer the problems. That's all. I will be asking Shivta, हम क्यों attend करें? ओके बताते हैं क्यों अटेंड करो, देन यू योरसेल्फ कैन डिसाइड कि हमें अटेंड करना है या नहीं. सो इट्स एक्चुअली ब्रिंग्स यू द रिगर, नॉलेज and analytical skills, how to research and how to speak. Most importantly, in today's world, it's very important how to debate. So it's actually gonna teach us, and that on a very grand level. There are many country students are participating from all over the world. So you'll definitely get to learn from them a lot, how to speak, how to communicate, and basically how to put our points and views in front of someone. So the skills you're gonna learn are the creative and analytical skills, because ये बहुत सारे genre पे depend होने वाला है. Diplomatic skills, because आप finally debate ही करोगे, right? So that diplomatic skills, and the problem solving skills, because in this you will actually deal with the real world problems which are occurring right now. So of course problem solving skills, negotiation skills, and research skills, because you have to do some of the research before attending the conference. So better be ready with that. So the other benefits which includes, and I feel these are the major benefits which everyone applies for. So first is participation certificate. Like everyone is like मुझे participation certificate चाहिए. वैसे do you remember कि like school में जब at the end of the year जब सर्टिफिकेट्स अलॉट होते थे, सो पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट या कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट हमें मिलता था, वी यूज्ड टू बी ऑन क्लाउड नाइन. ओ ये पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट मिला है या इस चीज़ में सर्टिफिकेट मिला है. बट अगर IMN का सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा so you and definitely your parents both will be proud of. Comedy sessions, IMN training one-on-one, then you will have like position paper submission and question queries, and my favorite, opening and closing ceremony. Like I wait for it. तो ये तो हमने बात कर ली बेनिफिट्स की, क्या है कैसे है, बट ये हमारे रियल लाइफ में कैसे एक चेंज लाने वाला है. सो गाइज, इफ़ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, ठीक है, सो आप यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में जाओगे, अप्लाई करोगे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ को, और इफ़ यू आर लाइक विलिंग टू गो फॉर अ जॉब और CV और समथिंग, देर इज़ अ सेक्शन जहाँ पे आप अपने प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड्स लगाते हो कि आपने प्रीवियसली क्या किया है अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर मार्कशीट्स एंड ऑल. आपकी को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ या आपने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा किया हो, दैट मैटर्स. ओके, सो आप उसमें ये लगा सकते हो व्हेन एवर यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ जॉब और एनीथिंग. इट विल डेफिनेटली क्रिएट अ डिफरेंस बिकॉज इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल MUN. So people might get shocked, how did you attended it? But definitely they won't get an answer because it happened online. And the best part is, you know what, it's not only confined to your place or the person you know or to your locality, it actually covers the major part of the world. So now guys, अब मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया है, so let's listen to the people जिन्हें attend किया है.
Hi, this is Chakshu. I got the opportunity to become part of the International MUN 20.0, which was a virtual conference held on 29th and 30th of August 2020. It was indeed a thrilling and enriching experience to meet about 1750 participants from all around the globe and become aware of their thoughts and opinions as well. I was in the UN Women Committee. We had a group of active and knowledgeable participants. We coordinated and cooperated very well. Our chair, Mr. Aaron Aquino, was indeed a vibrant and supportive presence. He encouraged and inspired us well to do our best. My heartfelt gratitude to the host for providing us with such a blissful experience. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Yashasvi Singh, participated in IMUN 20.0 and would like to share some experience of mine. So yeah, I would like to thank IMUN for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of the different participants of different countries. It was really an exciting experience for me as I have taken part first time in it. I really enjoyed discussing the same matters with others. Thank you so much. It was really a super exciting experience.
Hey everyone, my name is Arjun and I have recently participated in the IMUN International Conference, which was held via online means. And I must say, what an extraordinary experience. Now, when I have attended that conference, I have witnessed and realized that what I was missing since my past years. I would really like to thank IMUN for giving me this opportunity to prove myself. I must say that I have got the best time of my life in this conference. I would really like to suggest you all to go for it without giving any second thought about it.
तो नाउ बिकॉज गाइज मैंने सब कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, मैंने सारे पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन कर दिए हैं कि IMN क्या है, बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं, फ्यूचर में क्यों हेल्पफुल है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो इफ़ यू आर नाउ प्लानिंग टू अटेंड दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस, लेट मी नो एज सून एज पॉसिबल एंड कॉमेंट मी डाउन बिलो दैट यू आर interested and DM me on Instagram so that I can provide you with my referral. So this was all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope आपको एक बहुत ज़्यादा informative video मिली हो आज, and it's actually very important for your future. I have personally attended it and I have actually felt a difference. You're gonna have a roller coaster ride which you'll enjoy it for sure. roller coaster ride से पहले क्या होता है? We get scared. करें नहीं करें, बैठे नहीं बैठे, right? Same it's अभी भी आपके दिमाग में ये चल रहा होगा ना, करें कि नहीं करें, छोड़ो जाने दो. No. बट आफ्टर रोलर कोस्टर राइड वो जो एनर्जी होती है ना, सब कुछ वो इस कॉन्फ्रेंस अटेंड करने के बाद पक्का आने वाली है. आई एम डैम श्योर अबाउट इट. सो गाइज, इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन डू लेट मी नो एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो गाइज, इफ यू जस्ट लाइक दिस वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव अ थम्स अप, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, योर कलीग्स, your classmates, so that they can also get a chance to attend this conference. It's actually really helpful and you can thank me later. You can also ask your query कि आपको क्या नहीं समझ आया है. Just feel free to ask anything regarding this thing, and if not possible then you can also DM me on Instagram, but before that go follow me on Instagram, and अगर हो सके तो मेरे को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना प्लीज़. And hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.